So the Acura TSX did not pass inspections, and I'm gonna tell you why. So here we are, fully rebuilt Acura TSX, and let me show you guys why this didn't pass the DMV inspection. And let me tell you what he did check that I saw. He checked the seat belts, and he checked the airbag since it was replaced. He checked the dash lights, and then he verified the VIN on the door pillar right there, and then the one that's on the dash. He did kind of glance at my invoices, as you guys can see right there. He didn't really say much. But let me tell you why this car didn't pass the DMV inspection, and that is because he said this tint is too dark, that it is illegal. He said it was 14%, and the legal limit, I think he said 30%, if I remember right. I don't think it looks too dark. I could still see through and the inside, but I guess, the law is the law. So I have my heat gun right here, and I'm gonna start to remove it. And here's the old tint right here. I took the driver's side and the passenger side, so let's check it out. So here it is without the window tint. It looks stock, I guess. I don't really like it, but the law's the law, so I gotta respect it. So here's a comparison to front window to the rear window. You can't really see nothing in the back. In the front, you could clearly see now through it. And then I also got a new addition, which I don't know if you guys remember, but I didn't really like the aftermarket wheels. I like the OEM, unless they look like this one over here. But I did get the OEM Acura wheels, which I think will look better. But comment below and let me know what you guys think. I like them. They're stock 17x7. I think it'll look better than the black wheels. Let me know what you guys think. I got the whole set for a good price. So this is the old salvage title. It's 2007 Acura, and you guys can see it's still owned by Geico. I still gotta register it, but here is the inspection paper. You guys can see it says it failed right there. And I was served. Look at that. That's something you want to see when you're trying to register a car you just rebuilt. It's not cool, yo. But here's what he wrote. 14% tint on left and right front doors. So that's what I had to correct. And then I went back, and here's what he wrote after he re-inspected it. Look, on 6/26/20, and then he put passed, and then he signed it. So now I was able to register it, and it was road legal once more, and I will get a restored salvage title. So guys, keep in mind that I am in Arizona, so this is the DMV in Arizona, and it is a police officer that inspects your vehicle, so you gotta be legit in order to pass. So just FYI for you guys. I know every state is different. And for a salvage rebuilt title, it is a level 3 inspection, as you guys could tell right here. So if you guys learned something on this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and here's a video playlist of other videos that you guys could see when it's about Copart. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.